JMC part number JMA6-1000HD24-SG. This new rocker amp kit is made specifically for the 2024 Harley StreetGlide. Kit includes custom-made connection harnesses and is 100% plug-and-play into the electrical system, providing 4 channels of amplification at 230 watts RMS power per channel times 4 into a 2-ohm speaker load. Amplifier mounts into the in-fairing cradle using our custom bracket and mounting hardware. This is the most powerful amplifier available for your Harley and will provide lower distortion levels, better bass response, and superior on-highway performance. Follow along as we first remove the windshield support brackets, and top fairing cowl. Then remove both speaker grills, upper and lower inside fairing screws, upper trim piece, followed by the 2 screws on top, and as you lift off the outer fairing shell, unplug the headlight. Now remove the seat, fuel tank vent lines, fuel line snap fitting, and electrical plug. Then remove all 4 fuel tank bolts, and as you lift up and remove the fuel tank, slide the still attached vent line out of the little black clips. Remove the zip ties and tape from the plastic wire housing enclosure, and then lift up on the left side to open. Now remove and unplug the stock Harley amplifier. Then position the new rocker amplifier in its place and secure with the mounting bracket and bolt as shown, while applying a slight rearward pressure to the amplifier as you tighten the bolt. Then route the main power cable from the amp down through the inside of the fairing bracket as shown. Now unplug the stock speaker wires and connect the RCA input harness to the corresponding plugs on each side. Then connect the amplifier output harness to the remaining speaker wire connectors. Then unplug and connect the 4-pin plug with the blue wires in it into the stock wiring harness, leaving the other end of the stock wiring harness plug open. Then connect the large white plug to the amplifier and then plug in all 4 RCAs into the amp, white to white, red to red, then secure with electrical tape. Now peel the backing from the Velcro pieces on top of the rocker amp, then reinstall the stock Harley amp or one of the new A to B digital converters that are now becoming available for the 2024 Harleys. Now loosen the cable clamp at the bottom inside fairing position and route the main amplifier power cable up through the inside fairing as shown and plug into the amplifier, along with the orange wire connector. Now run the main amplifier power cable down through the plastic wire harness channel toward the battery. Remove the panels and ECM above the battery. Remove the fuse from the power harness. Then connect the main power cable direct to the battery. Red to the positive post and black to the negative post. Then reinstall the fuse and all pieces back on top of the battery. And then plug in the rear wire harness adapter and connect the orange wire from the main amplifier power cable to the adapter. Now turn the system on and test for sound from all speakers. Then replace the fairing speakers with a good set of rockers. Now reinstall the zip ties back into the plastic wire loom protector, and as you position the fuel tank, slip the left side vent line back into the little plastic clips. Now reinstall the 4 fuel tank bolts and reconnect front and rear vent lines along with the main fuel line and electrical connector. Now button up all the wiring and tie into place as shown. Then plug in the headlight and slide the outer fairing shell back into position. Now reinstall all inner fairing screws, fairing speaker grills, trim pieces, windshield and seat in the reverse order in which you remove them. Turn the audio system on and test the speakers for proper sound at maximum volume. JM Corporation has been in the motorcycle audio business for more than 47 years. This is what we do.